We're back here at Adventure Tech where I do the research so you don't have to. And if you're in a hurry and just looking for a discount on the products that I'll be discussing in this video, you're getting basically 50% off right now, so it's a real good time to check this out. You can use my promo code AdventureTech, no space, get an extra discount on this as well. Feel free to use the links in the comments or the description. Get right over to these discounts, deals, and whatnot. Help support my channel at the same time, which I always appreciate greatly. For everybody else, we're going to be jumping into the RENOGY Off-Grid Storage Solution Kit. So we got RENOGY's Off-Grid Power Solution Kit. You got the 10, 15, and 20 kilowatt hour packages. This is perfect for off-grid living. You can choose these different options depending on your usage. You can easily stack these power tower batteries for future expansion, which I like because they're real close to the wall, which makes them really great in garages and things like that. You can do real-time monitoring with a mobile app, which I told you I really like. I found that the RENOGY app is just really easy to use and it gives you all the information you need and not too much information. That sweet spot where you actually end up using the app a lot. The inverter display provides quick access to essential charging info, multiple charging options, grid power, solar panels, or a generator. Let's take a closer look. So, RENOGY X Solution, reliable power backup for your home. We got high efficiency, 20.5 module efficiency. That's pretty good. You get over 6,000 cycles on the battery. That means you can charge and discharge this battery over 6,000 times. Quickly do the math. 6,000 times divided by 365. That's over 16 years if you use this battery every single day. Gotta say that's pretty good. 10 to 20 kilowatt hour energy backup, no worries about power outages. That's a lot of battery storage. I usually give about 3 to 4 kilowatt hours per day of backup power during an outage. And this is only 7.4 inches, that ultra thin design I talk about, really good against the wall in a garage where space is limited. And if you got an off-grid build, overlander, or anything where you want a lot of power, this is going to be real ideal for your build. So what can a 10 kilowatt hour RENOGY X run? You got 200 watt refrigerators, microwaves, dishwashers, washing machines, your laptops, TVs, ovens, dryers, chargers, lights, hair dryers, electric stoves, pretty much anything. It is a very reliable power source that ensures continuous power for your home during these outages. Whether you're in a tiny home or a garage, this is really great because you can mount this inside or outside. Every component that you get in this RENOGY X kit is amazing. 450 watt bifacial solar panels. Bifacial solar panels really pulling the power. Trust me, I have them and they work amazing. Achieve up to 30% more energy with these 450 watt bifacial solar panels. Recommended add-on featuring 10 BB half cell tech and IP68 rating. This is going to keep the water out of them and the dust out of them. Going to make them last a long time for you. And this comes with a 48 volt 8 kilowatt inverter. 8,000 watts. That is a lot. That's more than any portable power station is going to give you. Compact design simplifies installation and solar integration. Monitor energy and manage costs easily with backup power for outages. 48 volt 10 kilowatt battery. This 10 kilowatt battery providing days of backup power for your home. I would say that's true. Definitely 3 solid days of backup power. Easily expandable up to 20 kilowatt hours to accommodate your growing energy needs. That'll get you about a week of backup power. That's pretty good. Or 1 day of just using it the way most people would use it during any other day. Think about it, during an outage or an off-grid situation, you tend to use power a little bit differently and it tends to go a lot farther for you. And as you can see by looking at this wiring diagram, everything's pretty simple. You can use the hybrid inverter to hook to the grid, hook to your solar panels, hook to the battery, hook to your load center, which is basically your circuit breaker box, so you can control where the power is going, when the power is going there, and you can turn things off individually if needed. The dimensions on this are very small. Check this thing out. If you're thinking about pushing it a little bit beyond the portable power station realm and you really want something more reliable with a really good name backing it up like RENOGY, this off-grid power solution kit might just be what you're looking for. You got 10, 15, or 20 kilowatt hour deluxe power package options, and the prices are discounted right now, huge. You're getting basically 50% off right now, so it's a real good time to check this out. You can also use my coupon code AdventureTech, no space, to get an even bigger discount on this. Now, this is the latest generation high efficiency PERC panels. These are amazing solar panels that are in this kit. You get an all-in-one system control monitor here, as well as the Lycan 5000 Pro power box. This is an amazing portable power station with huge capabilities. This is an amazing setup that you can take just about anywhere with you, and it is rugged. You have a couple different options here depending on what you want to get for solar. So let's take a closer look. Wow, for 13 years, RENOGY's been selling over 10 million solar panels sold. Now I tell you what, RENOGY has an amazing reputation when it comes to solar panels, and their equipment is really state of the art. They put a lot of effort into these products. They don't oversaturate their catalog, so the products that they do have are very refined. The solar panels in this kit can be mounted directly to your roof, or you can get ground mount installation. This is one of RENOGY's most advanced power kits. This is for people who want the most peace of mind when it comes to power outages, off-grid power applications, and things like that. This is a self-contained to provide simple plug-and-play DIY installation. The efficient design yields a smaller footprint to help you optimize your space. And you can easily monitor and automate the system through Bluetooth in the app and smart plugs. Turn your tiny home into a smart little tiny home with unlimited off-grid days. A lot of these systems are great to have, but you want it to be hassle-free, and this is going to give you that. You have 320 watt monocrystalline solar panels, and these are UL certified, giving you that peace of mind. And you have a 48 volt battery system that's lithium iron phosphate. Lithium iron phosphate, in my opinion, is the most superior type of battery that you can get on the market right now. I think it'll be a while before a better technology comes out. And then you have the Lycan 5000 power box. This baby is amazing. This is what really makes it worth it. And as you can see, setting this up is a breeze. All you need for your off-grid tiny home, powered by the sun. And guess what? Sun never sends you a power bill. So right now it's 34% off, so I wanted to give everybody a heads up on this, tell you a little bit more about this and what this thing can do. Now let's take a close look at the Lycan 5000 power box. Now, it is an all-in-one solution. This says 4.8 kilowatts right out of the box, and you can expand this all the way up to about 20 kilowatt hours. Long-lasting LFP batteries. This is lithium iron phosphate battery technology. This is the most superior battery technology. I will repeat it one more time. Now, this has a peak power of 10,000 watt output. That is a lot of power. There are very few things that this won't be able to power. Again, the DC Home app from RENOGY is my favorite out of all the apps I've used. Tell you, I really like the design. Helps me monitor my system very closely. Helps me save time and money. What's not to like about that? And it does have IP55 waterproof rating, which not only going to keep water out, but it's going to help keep dust out of this. Now, I tell you what, when the weather does get bad, having something like this in your house changes the situation completely. There is almost absolutely no stress because I know I have my backup power. It really changes everything. It is a serious peace of mind that you're getting when you get one of these. You can also use my coupon code AdventureTech, no space, to get an even bigger discount on this. With these bigger purchases, you're saving a lot more. Use the links in the comments and get right over here. Get that discount, help support my channel at the same time, which I always appreciate greatly. I hope these videos are helping you out with your purchases. Feel free to subscribe to my channel, Adventure Tech, by clicking the subscribe button. Make sure to click that bell icon so when I drop these new videos, you can be one of the first people to get these discounts.